Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Chef Nirajan, and today I'm going to prepare Wai Wai noodle soup with oyster mushroom and green pea, which is slightly different, have a lot of moisture and full of curry flavor in it. I have oyster mushroom here, just wash nicely, then shredded by hand. Sliced red onion, chopped ginger, and chopped garlic as well. Sliced tomato into small pieces. Some chopped cilantro and green pea and one green chili and small pieces of lemon and one fish egg and vegetable oil. And I have here Wai Wai, which is product of Nepal, and noodles masala. It is also product of Nepal. Now I have been prepared all condiments over here. Let's begin the cooking. First of all, heat a pan and add a 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Once it is heated, we'll add a chopped green chili, sliced red onion and ginger garlic chopped. Cook it for about 1 to 2 minutes in medium heat. Do not cook it long and do not make it very dark. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder and add here mushroom. Now saute this mushroom for around 2 to 3 minutes on low to medium high heat. When mushroom start to become half transparent, add tomatoes. Here you can use any other vegetables of your choice. And then I'm adding 1 piece egg and gently saute with mushroom. So now comes to important part of adding Wai Wai noodles and green pea. Add noodles masala. And now goes in the taste maker, that is Wai Wai noodles soup taste maker, which is come along with Wai Wai noodles packet. And add 2 to 3 cup water for 1 packet Wai Wai noodles. So added about 2 to 3 cup of water. Cook it along with vegetable and noodles and let it come with the good boil. Add salt to taste. So I'm not covering with lid over here. I'm just cooking it open just for another 2 more minutes because this Wai Wai noodles doesn't take long to cook. Mix it until it's entirely done and cooked well. I think it's done enough. Don't cook over. Now I'm going to sprinkle lemon juice along with chopped cilantro. Here you go, and it's so yummy, juicy, delicious, and you can see soupy Wai Wai noodles soup. It's ready. Serve it while it is still hot. So do try this easy and best recipe and let me know your valuable feedback in the comment section below. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel Chef Nirajan for more and more of such easy recipe. It's me Nirajan signing off. Bye bye.